Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add Soundboard in your Discord server. So by default, you are already going to have Soundboard. You can join the general and then you can click on open Soundboard and you can use the sound which you already have over here. But if you want to add extra sound, in that case, you need to click on this arrow at the top of your screen on your Discord server, right beside the Discord server's name. Click on server setting. From inside here, click on Soundboard and click on upload sound. Once you do that, you need to click on browse and you can choose a sound from your PC. Once you choose the sound from your PC over here, you can choose the volume of the sound. And after you're okay with the sound, you can give the sound a name. So I'm going to give it good. The sound's name is going to be good. I can click on upload and the sound will be uploaded. Now what I can do is go on my soundboard and you will see this option called good, the new sound which I uploaded, and people can start using it. So that is how you guys can upload sound in Soundboard, or how you guys can get Soundboard on your Discord server. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.